Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming with another React project. Everyone knows this digital timer project. So let's see how it's work. First of all, if you want to give how many minutes you want, you can give here. So I want just 5 minutes. So you can quickly guide through this. So I give 5 minutes. I start the timer. So here the text is changed. Here text is changed. Here icon is changed. You can observe it. And time is running back. If you want pause this, so you can another click here. Timer is paused. And here text also is, you can observe it. And you want to reset, you click on reset. You can go to first given time. So that's it. If you want this code, please let me know in the comments. I will provide you. Bye.